Here's how to find and build backlinks using Semrush. By the end, you'll know how to evaluate your current backlink profile, understand what those links mean, and uncover practical opportunities to earn more. First, log into semrush.com. Once you're in, head to the left sidebar and click Backlink Analytics. This is the hub where you can analyze any domain's backlink profile, including your own or a competitor's, so you can see what's working in your space. In the search bar at the top, type your domain or a competitor's domain and press enter. Semrush will load an overview. Start by reviewing total backlinks. This counts all incoming links and gives a sense of overall link volume. Next, look at referring domains, which shows how many unique websites are linking to the domain. A healthy profile typically emphasizes more unique referring domains over sheer link quantity. Then review follow versus no-follow links. Follow links can pass authority and are often more valuable for rankings, while no-follow links can still drive traffic and diversify your profile. The balance provides context for the quality and naturalness of the backlink landscape. Now click referring domains to see the list of websites linking to the domain. As you scan, consider the relevance of each site to your niche and its perceived authority. Consistent links from trustworthy, topic-related domains are a strong signal. If you're analyzing a competitor, this list helps you understand where they're earning credibility and where you might find similar opportunities. Next, check anchor text to understand how backlinks are pointing to the site. Anchor text is the clickable text of a link. A natural profile includes branded anchors, generic anchors like click here, and a limited number of keyword-rich anchors. Overly repetitive or aggressive keyword anchors can be a red flag, while varied brand-aligned anchors tend to look healthy and sustainable. To discover new opportunities, use the Backlink Gap tool. You can compare your domain against several competitors at once. Add your site and a few major competitors, then run the comparison to see which domains link to them but not to you. These are your immediate prospects. Pay attention to sites that link to multiple competitors, as they're more likely to be open to similar content or partnerships. Note whether those links are follow or no follow, the relevance of each site to your topic, and the recency of the link. From here, identify the websites that link to competitors but not your site, and prioritize the ones that are authoritative and contextually aligned with your content.